Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock your Chromebook if you're going to be stepping away for a little while. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select your time down your system tray, and then select the power icon, click the little up arrow, and then select lock. And that's all you have to do. If you want to come back in, you're going to have to enter in your password to sign back in. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.